ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కే వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కే వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Horizontal lines. Let's suppose we have the coordinate axis again, x axis, y axis, negative x axis and negative y axis. Suppose I am plotting some points at equal distance. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3. Let's suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is -1, this is -2, -3 and -4. Let's suppose we have like this. Now I want to plot any point in this plane. I want to plot any point in this plane. Let's suppose this is the point, this is the point, that is at this point 3. So this point can be written as what? 0, 3. Yes or no? So what is the equation of this horizontal line? This is the horizontal line, this is the horizontal line. So what is that equation of this dotted line? So this is passing through the point 3 and it is parallel to x axis, and this point is 0, 3. So which coordinate we have? Y coordinate. So this can be taken as y equal to 3, which is the equation of the dotted line y is equal to 3, which is parallel to x axis. Suppose I got like this. This is the point. Now this is the point. This is the dotted line. Let's say I want to find the equation of this line. So this becomes y is equal to 4. In the same way, suppose I have like this. I want to find the equation of this dotted line, which is passing through 0, -2, which is passing through 0, -2. Then which coordinate we have? Y coordinate, which is nothing but y is equal to -2 will be the equation of this dotted line. So in generally, the equation of any line parallel to the x axis or the horizontal line can be taken as y is equal to k. So that can be written as the equation of the horizontal line parallel to x axis can be taken as y is equal to k. This is the equation of the horizontal line. That is, k can be either positive, that is what this one, k can be either positive, k can be positive, k can be negative. It can be any value. K can be any scalar, any integer. It can be positive k, it can be negative k. It can be -2 or it can be +2. This is about horizontal lines. Now we will discuss about vertical lines. Vertical lines. So let's suppose we have the coordinate axis again. This is x, this is y. Again I will be taking some negative x axis, negative y axis like this. Again plotting these points on the x axis, y axis like this, and negative y axis like this. Now this is the origin as we already know. I am talking about the vertical lines, means let's suppose this line is passing through which point? 3, comma 0. This is the point on the x axis. So, what will be the equation of this x axis? Because we have x coordinate that is 3. So, which is parallel to the y axis. So, equation of this x axis will become equation of this vertical line will become x equal to 3, which is parallel to the y axis. So, the equation of the vertical line parallel to y axis can be taken as x equal to k. So, as I told you, k can be any value, either it can be positive or it can be negative. Suppose I got this point, let us suppose this is the point, this is passing through which point? Minus 2 comma 0. So, this is the dotted line. I want to find this equation of this dotted line which is passing through minus 2, that is we got x coordinate. So, x equal to minus 2. In the same way, suppose we have like this. So, this is the line passing through 5 comma 0. So, therefore, this equation will become x equal to 5. So, I said like k can be either positive or negative, either it can be 5, it can be 3, it can be 4, either positive on the x axis, negative on the x axis, that is x equal to k will be the equation of vertical line. Coming to the next point, I want to find the equation of
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach, a cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITN and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join.
the x axis and the y axis. I want to find the equation of x axis and the y axis. As I told you, any line parallel to x axis will become y equal to k. Any line parallel to y axis will become y is equal to k. Now, I want to find the equation of the x axis. Equation of the x axis means this is passing through origin. So, equation of the x axis will become y equal to 0. It is therefore, the equation of x axis is y equal to 0. I suppose you understood. Mali cheptunanandi. So, as I told you in the previous example, any line parallel to the x axis can be taken as y is equal to 1 or y is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 or y is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 3, so on. So, in generally we can take the equation of any line parallel to x axis can be taken as y equal to k. In the same way, if I want the equation of this line that is called as x axis, that can be taken as y is equal to 0. This is passing through 0. So, that is y equal to 0. Coming to the equation of y axis, I want the equation of y axis. Equation of y axis is what? X equal to 0. How? In the same way. Suppose I want to find the equation of any line parallel to the y axis will be x equal to k. That is, if it is passing through 1, that will become x equal to 1. It is passing through 2 means x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 3. So, in generally we can take the equation as x equal to k, that is line parallel to the y axis. Now, I want to find the equation of this line, that is y axis. This is the y axis passing through which one? 0. So, this can be taken as x equal to 0. That is what we have written. The equation of y axis is always x equal to 0.